congratulations to you all for reaching the Welsh finals, of course, of the Enterprise Troopers Primary School competition. A round of applause for yourselves.
Helo a chroeso I gystadleuaeth y criw mentrus.
Welcome to the Enterprise Troopers competition.
We have found the competition very interesting. It's been very fun and we can't wait to do our presentation.
Seeing some of the projects that the kids have come up with at the age they are and talking about things like net profit, gross profit and even franchises, and it's been a real eye-opener and a privilege to be involved in.
This is the first year we've taken part, so it's all been new for us. They've loved getting their ideas out there and actually making money. They'll walk up to anybody now and try and sell them anything.
I found the competition good because we get to express our creativity skills, and I want to start my business when I'm older.
Well, it's been an absolute pleasure to be a national judge once again this year, and the level of enterprise and creativity shown in these businesses is truly inspiring once again.
Felly, yr enillydd yw, the winner in 2016, let's have a drum roll. All Saints Church in Wales School!
Wow, what an absolutely amazing day. Some really inspirational children. The future prosperity of our great nation is in fine hands. Hopefully we'll see some of these outstanding young children coming through and being entrepreneurs here in Wales over the course of the next 15, 20 years.
Well, we still can't really believe it, and we're just really happy.
My top tip for running a business would probably be to work well as a team and don't let the nerves get the better of you.
I'm super proud. They're an absolute inspiration. They've got sheer drive and determination every day to keep the business going, and it's all down to them.
Enterprise Troopers winners of 2016.